This freaking tree better grow real good. There's my hands. There's where this digging bar is. Probably 70% of this has been rock. And I just hit the mother lode. I hate Pennsylvania's rocks. Rocks. Big rocks. Happy Easter. Update. I've loosened Bertha. Oh, maybe broken her up too. Stupid apple tree better do well. I'm so sick of freaking rocks. I planted the first tree up there in no time at all. No time at all. There's barely any rocks on that one. Barely any. This one. Good God. I should have known this was a problem area. This post is offset from the others a little bit because I couldn't find a hole, which I didn't run into. Guess what? Rock. Jenny Craig got nothing on this, man. Whew. Okay. More friendly tips here. If you got a 6-foot digging bar or just an extra spade, you can get a monster rock out of here without too much effort by just basically using both of them. I haven't, this rock came from the bottom, which, this hole is a couple foot deep. But you basically get one down there, get the other one on it, and you just take turns rolling it out. Now I can't really film and do this at the same time, but this is a good tip. Save your back. But all you got to do though is just be careful, and if you fail, you just got to start over. Now I probably don't need to try to leverage this thing out anymore. I think I've got it enough, but if I had a second helper right now, this thing would already be gone. But yep. Yeah, so to recap, once you get one, maybe I can from this. Yeah, I ain't gonna bother trying. But basically, you wedge one in there, pick it up, and get it in a position where it's going to hold. Then you bring the other one in and try to do the same thing. You raise it up and kind of jam it into the dirt so it's stuck. Then you can pull the other one back out and just keep repeating until you get it to a point where you can lift it, rather than trying to just pull an incredible Hulk and pick up this rock, which is probably I think it's probably at least 75 pounds, 35, 40 kilograms, something like that, and hurting yourself. This is a much better way to do it.